Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Oh my goodness, I don't know where to begin. I just received this surprise package in the mail from Lacao. And if you've seen my previous video, or if you haven't, I will post the link down below, but I'm in shock. I don't know what it's inside. I didn't order anything. Yeah, so I thought I would just quickly do an unboxing and share, or unbagging I guess, and share with you what's inside. Let me make sure I'm not ripping anything here. Let's... Really packaged up really nicely. Alright, and there's more bubble wrap here. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my gosh. Let's see. I received a like a redelivery notice in my post, and it said Taiwan, and I was like, I didn't order anything from Taiwan. I don't know what it is, and the mailman just came and he dropped it off, and I saw the Lacao sign. I was like, oh my goodness. So let's see what it is. And there's the leather tag of Taiwan there, with the washi tape. Really pretty wrapping. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Can you see that? I believe this is like an A5 size with, oh my goodness. There's some extra stickers here, some flake stickers, really cute. And oh my gosh, Taipei 101. Merry Christmas. Let me see what's inside. Thanks for the big help to my shop last time, and wish the early Christmas gift will arrive before the Christmas. Best wishes and Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you, Diamond. Oh my goodness. There's a lovely leather coaster, like a natural leather coaster with the Lacao stamped there, and some extra elastic, and an A5. Oh, this looks different. The stamp of their Lacao logo. And this one also is perforated. The other notebook that they included in my other traveler's notebook was perforated as well. So it's really great if you want to take notes and things, and you want to take the paper out and put them in your journal. But wow. So it has this Secretarial Pocket. Oh, this leather is so nice. You see that? It's nice and thin, so it doesn't add too much bulk. And there's also the pocket here, and then the 2 credit card slots here. Oh, this leather is really nice. You can see that it doesn't cause any bulk at all, like the leather. I don't know what these are called. I'm just speechless. Yeah, these pockets don't cause any extra bulk. And then there's beautiful red stitching all the way around. And oh my goodness, look at this red. This red pocket, it's huge, so you can stuff in your pens, and even if you have like a small extra little notebook, you can put that in there. And then he's actually stitched here so that you can put in your different pens and writing utensils, rulers. Oh my goodness. And this natural leather, you can hear that. And then the closure is this really, I like, it's very unique, it's different. But it's a button closure with this pull tab, leather pull tab right here. Hopefully it's not too dark, and you can see the red is beautiful. It's like a nice Christmas red. It matches the stitching very well. And then, oh, I forgot to show you the Lacao logo there on the bottom. I appreciate that he knows the different types of leather that he can use. and that he thinks about the different types of leather. The thin leather for the outside pocket so that it's nice and flexible and like it's easy to... I actually brought my watercolor tin there so you can see like it's easy to put it in there, like it stretches out. The leather is nice and soft so that you can easily put something inside the pocket there. And he also uses a very nice and flexible leather for the pockets and the inside as well, so that it's easy to put documents and ephemera and memorabilia in these pockets. You know, these ones aren't very stiff or anything like that, and it doesn't add bulk, which I absolutely love. You can see how thin the red leather as well as the natural leather. The pockets inside and outside are nice and lightweight. And then the outside journal cover, like the physical journal cover, is nice and sturdy. But I imagine it softening up with use as well. Like it's not like a really stiff leather, it's still very flexible. But I imagine it, of course, it will patina as well, and it will soften up with use. So while I was interrupted, I just had a couple of minutes. I was able to contact Diamond, and he said this is actually called the Artist Journal, or I think it's called the Artist Journal. So if you're interested in purchasing something like this, you can easily message him. Or if you're, wanting different size pockets for the outside, I imagine he will be able to accommodate your requests. And he does in the previous months, he used to have an Etsy shop, but now he has switched over to Shopify, so I will leave all the links down below. I'm also part of the, he also has like a Facebook page, if you want to see other people's locales and see how other people are using their traveler's notebooks. Because when he said that this is called the Artist Journal, it really made me want to use this for my art journal. So I think for my next one, because right now I'm working on December daily, I haven't really thought in advance of what I want to do for my next art journal. I finished that B6 Slim one from Documented Journey. Then I went to the December daily, or I kind of dabbled into the I went into the Hobonichi for a bit, but I didn't really jump back into the art journaling. So I think I really want to do that for 2019. And this big A5 size will be a really big challenge for me, for sure. So I think I want to try that out. Or maybe I'll put my Hobonichi cousin in here and see how that goes too. Because I haven't really decided what I want to do for 2019. I know it's already like almost mid-December, and I haven't really decided what I want to do. So I might do that as well. Maybe I'll house my Hobonichi cousin in here. It might be really nice because it has the 2 elastics. I could stick the covers in here. So I might do that. We'll see. But I just wanted to show you that you can easily stick in your like a watercolor tin there. I brought a pencil here. I was thinking this is the brass pencil from Traveler's Notebook. It's all I don't know what it is, but I have a hard time using the eraser. It's so like pristine. But yeah, you can easily stick in a pencil in there, like your mechanical pencil if you want to. You can stick in your like a water brush in there as well. But yeah, I hope that gives you a better idea of what the Artist Journal looks like. And thank you so much, Diamond, for this really, really beautiful Christmas gift. I am so appreciative. I hope you can show him some love and visit his website. He has different types of leather. He has different colors as well. Yep. And he also does this beautiful mountain one where he has the different, they look like mountains, but they're different layers of leather, and it's beautiful. But yeah, so I'm very excited to try this out for 2019 as my art journal, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you once again, Diamond, for this beautiful gift, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate you for watching as well, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.